Hi everybody, my name is Jaryd Bush. I've owned Hondas for the last 16 to 17 years. I've got a turbocharged 1998 Honda Civic VTEC. I've got a 1996 Honda Ballard 180i. I've got a 2010 Honda Civic Type R FN2 Championship Edition. I've also got a 2011 Honda CBR 250R. And right next to me over here, I've got my 2012 Honda CBR 600F. For me, Honda's life, Honda's always been part of the lifestyle that I live it, breathe it, feel it. And, being an avid car guy, moving over to the bikes naturally. So having owned Hondas for that many years, and of course now the bike side of things as well, I was able to experience not only the Honda reliability from an unmodified side of things, but I've also extensively modified Hondas over the years. And I can safely say that both modified and unmodified, they are reliable. So if you're driving any other brand, now's your time to switch.
My name is Jaryd, and this is my DC5 Honda Integra. Well, the DC5, it was a funny story I actually told Jaryd earlier. This car was on Facebook Marketplace, and I first thought it was a scam. So I went into it and I spoke to the guy, ended up speaking for about an hour. And then, there you go, I got it. So luckily, it was actually during COVID as well. So there was a time where I was like, yes, am I gonna get it or not? And I took the risk basically of sending the guy half of the money and waiting. And every time checking my phone to see, hey, is the guy's WhatsApp profile pic still there? You know what I mean? If he ghosts me or something. So that's how I got it, basically through Marketplace. Yeah. It's more of me loving the brand and having it as a daily vehicle. It incorporates into taking my kids to school, going out on occasions with my family, going to car shows, etc. Just Honda is just the best for me.
Hi, my name is Divan. I drive a 1995 Honda Ballard EG 180i. So between me and my wife, we've owned Hondas for about 13 years. My first Honda was a Honda Ballard EF Dock 160i. And then my wife and I, we owned a Honda Accord together. And then after that, I bought this car. I've been owning this car for the past 6 years. Okay, so a lot of people know me from the forum, and that is probably where I got the nickname from, Puna. I used to be a big Nissan guy, and then I joined the Honda Boys forum, and then my love for Honda started. The experience and the sound of the cars, the reliability, and just the looks and the parts availability that's available for the cars in South Africa. If it's not available, they'll import it. So I've owned this EG for about 6 years. It's been taking a while. I think this is my first Honda day that I'm actually prepping properly for the car to be on display. Previously the car was basically stock. So the current modifications to the car, like I've mentioned, is the B20 B8, 63mm exhaust, unit chip and an induction. And then suspension wise, this is actually one of the first Hondas, I won't say South Africa, I'm not sure what's going on up country, but one of the first EGs that's running double bellow bags. Currently, the guys are all running sleeve bags. I'm running bellow bags, and then obviously I've got the rims on. There's a lot of other things coming that I'm busy prepping for on the day, but that we'll reveal at on the day. So I went with Stance predominantly because we feature Stance cars on the Resi Stance Lifestyle channel, but we also try to focus on race cars. The reason why I went with this car is it's not just for the Stance, but you can get performance also out of it. I actually want best of both worlds, but that's something that's later in the pipeline for the car. Future plans for the car, like I said, some of the stuff will be revealed at Honda Day, and then I don't want to divulge too much what is the future plans for the car, but I really want a B18C Type R motor to stick to the roots of the 180i, keeping it 1800. I'm not saying anything is wrong with the B20 B8. It's been reliable for the past 5 years or 4 years since it's been fitted. But I really want that. That is one of the big things. And then obviously the EG9 aesthetics of the Ferio that we want to incorporate into the South African ballade on the car.
Hi, I'm Jaryd. I drive a Honda Civic Type R. So growing up, I grew up in a family that just owned Hondas, and this was always the one I looked up to. So when I came across it on auction, there was no doubt I had to take the gamble. So being a female in the car community has felt very intimidating at the beginning, but I just learned to suck it up and just own it. So some of my closest friendships actually started off at a Honda park-off, and that is how my life has changed. So funny story, I was actually looking for the FK2 and then saw this car on auction, and then that's when I decided I'm going to take the gamble.
I'm Mark. I drive a Honda Ballade B16 VTEC. Well, for the past 8 years, I've only owned Hondas. Very reliable, fuel efficient, as well as performance-wise. Well, it's stock. I just got a cold air induction and exhaust. I've owned 4. This is the 4th one. At first, I had a 150i old spec Civic. After that, I had a old spec 150i on the Ballade. Then I had a B16 new spec Civic as well, and this one. This car was actually my brother's car, so this was his idea. Car was faded, and then I decided I'm going to respray the exact same color. He brought me into the Honda brand, my brother. So everything I've learned about Hondas was through him, and I just stick to Hondas because of its performance and the reliability and the fuel efficiency, like I said before. So I use the car every day. I redline the car. This car just doesn't break. This car has been in the family since 2011.
Yeah, Honda's the best, the power of dreams.
Honda, power of dreams.
Honda, power of dreams.
Honda, power of dreams.
Honda, the power of dreams.